Hi everyone, this is Johnny here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing something which just arrived yesterday night. It's I think most of you can recognize this logo. Yes, this is Xiaomi. Something they released I think a couple of months back. It's called the Redmi Buds 3 Pro. Now, this is actually the international version. The China-only version, if I'm not wrong, is called the Xiaomi Redmi AirDots 3 Pro. So the China-only version is called the AirDots 3 Pro, while the international version is called Buds 3 Pro. Right? It's very nice. Like the coloring actually. Right, so some basic information. It has active noise cancellation. It's said to have long battery life. It supports wireless charging, nice, and wired fast charging. Okay. Anything else here? It has Bluetooth 5.2. Yes, dual device connectivity. We'll test it out later. It has the MIUI pop-up for fast pairing. So this means that this is actually meant for mainly for Xiaomi smartphone, but later on I'm going to test it out on both iPhone and my Android phone, which is the Oppo Reno. Right, let's see if there's anything else. Okay, let's look at the back. Right, wireless Type-C. Okay, nice. Right, supports 5 watt or higher. Bluetooth range 10 meter. Charging time is about 2.5 hours for the case itself. The earbuds has a 35 amp. Charging case is 470 amp. The content, you have the earbuds itself, the charging case, user manual, warranty notice, charging cable, ear tips 4 pair, and then it says here M size pre-installed. Nice. And this is how it actually looks like. Okay, let's get into it. Right, so if you look at box, I actually like, wow, it's pretty elaborate. I mean, I bought this for about less than 70 Sing dollars via AliExpress, but you look at, wow, the finishing is very, very nice. There's like some spot UV here, and then a very nice finishing here, and a logo here as well. Okay, so once you open the box, right, this is what you will see. The earbuds itself, let's take it out. The one I bought, I think is called silver, or is it gray? I think it's silver gray. Right, let's put it aside first. We'll get back to this. Okay, over here you can see the logo here. It says charging cable and ear tip. So let's take it out. Well thought. Some tabs to pull it out. Very nice. Alright, so you have the USB cable here. You have a rubber band. Alright, so on one end, USB-A. On the other end, USB-C. So, but I like how it actually displays the additional ear tips. I think it's more and more coming a trend because I've this was previously only seen, I think, AirPods Pro, and I think Sony was one of the first few, yeah, to do such a display, right? the AirPods Pro. Do a size comparison. Line it up here as well. So it's easier for you to do a size comparison. The length is about the same. This one, the Buds 3 Pro, is slightly wider. The MDots, it's narrower. Same with the AirDots 3. And then this is the AirPods Pro. I think it's of similar width. The Buds 3 Pro is slightly taller, slightly longer. Alright, let's turn it to the side. As you can see here, the AirPods Pro is slightly slimmer. The Buds 3 Pro is slightly thicker. So this is the main thing. So when you open up the casing, this is what you will see. The box itself, the charging case, 3 additional pairs of ear tips, and of course the manual and everything, they're all inside the box. Alright, so moving into it, let's open up the lid. So you can see that. Open up the lid. It goes no flashing. So this is the pairing mode. So it means that it has almost instant pairing the moment you open up the lid. Some writing underneath the lid. Right, so there's a slight bevel here. Right. Probably this is to ensure that when after you close the lid remains, it doesn't wobble a lot. Yeah, you can see from it doesn't wobble a lot. Right, very sturdy. Right, so let's open it up. Wow, see the earbuds, the surface here. It looks like gems actually, like cat's eye, or rather it looks like dragonfly eyes. Right, so let's take it out. Oh gosh, it's huge. Wow, I like the reflection. You see the reflection? It's very nice. Right, so there's a microphone here. Second microphone here. This could be an air valve as well to release the ear pressure, the inner ear pressure, and then the 2 charging point here should be connected to the points here. Yep, there you see it. This part. Then okay, pre-installed with M size ear tip, and then you can see here that there's a wire mesh, metal mesh protecting it. It's probably another microphone. Probably this is one to pick up our voice when we're making phone calls or WhatsApp call. And then put it down. And then there's a very simple R. Oh, this reminds me of Pokemon, Team Rocket. So this R is for right side. Okay, it's pretty huge. Let's do a comparison. So I'm taking out the right side of the AirDots 3. So you can see side by side. It is slightly thicker, longer. The shape is weird as well. Well, we'll do a wearing test later. I'll be doing a wearing test later just to see what it looks like. Alright, I'll take out the AirPods Pro as well. You can see here the right side and the right side. It looks very different. Very, very different. I think first time I'm seeing a earbuds of this kind of design. Let's take out the left side as well. I like the logo. I like the font on the left and right. It's very nice. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and wear it. See the comfort. It's pretty okay. Doing a bit of shake test. It's not moving a lot. Nice. It feels very comfortable in my ear. I might need to probably get a slightly bigger size one. The ear tip. Pretty easy to put it on. Right, so here you can see me wearing the ear tip. Okay, the earbuds here, you see. It's not really sticking out a lot. This is the front view. Okay. Yeah, it's quite flush with my ears actually. Right, so you can see here, it's not really sticking out a lot. I turn. Actually looks pretty nice actually. Yeah, it's quite nice. One more thing is that if you look at the side view, it's actually sticking up a lot. I've never really seen a earbud sticking out so much. It's like more than half of the earbuds is actually sticking out from the case. So it's actually very easy to take it out because it has this stud sticking out at the back. So all you need to do is your finger just goes to the back, take it out. Very nice. And you see how I hold it? Yeah, it's very ergonomically designed to allow your fingers, like if this is how you hold it, your thumb, for the right hand, your thumb will be on the left side and then your index finger will be on the right side. So even though it's smooth, it has a matte finishing along the entire body of the earbud, but it's pretty easy to grab compared to, let's say, for example, the AirDots. The AirDots is here, but because it's flat, you see here, it doesn't have an indent here, so it's easy to hold, but it doesn't give me that sense of security. Where else, it's the same for the M Power. Yeah, M Power as well. Luckily, there is this ear wing here, so it's easier to hold, but without the ear wing, it's actually not very easy to hold. AirPod Pro is nice to hold because it has an additional stem here, so even if you're not holding it by here, the moment you take it out, you can hold it by the stem, and then you can actually adjust it accordingly as you put it into your ear. Right, so for this, yeah, the moment you take it out, your thumb will be here, and then see how I naturally actually grab on to the earbuds, like very naturally, subconsciously, and then I can just fiddle around with it. It's very nice. It's to hold in the hand, very secure. Right, so the other hand as well, and boom, taking it out. So putting it back also the same, very easy. There you go. Then tight shot. Okay. Right, so next let's go ahead and actually pair the earbuds together with an Android phone, and then we see what happens. Alright guys, I have with me here is the Oppo Reno Android phone. Alright, let's go into the settings, the Bluetooth. Alright, and then let's open it up. Alright, so within a few seconds you'll see that the Redmi Buds 3 Pro pop up on the menu. Let's tap on that. It should connect it in about 2 seconds. Right, so we go into the eye. You can actually use high quality audio. Next, let's go into Spotify. Let's put the earbuds on. Oh, that's nice. Okay, so when you put the earbuds on, you will hear a very nice melody tone for 1 second. It's like dun-dun. Very nice, very gentle. Alright, so let's try the controls. Double tap for play. This is pause. I'm on the left side right now. Let's try the right earbud. Okay. Okay. Right. So triple tap. On the left is for the previous track. Triple tap on the right is for the next track. There's nothing on single tap. Okay. So let's see. Pause and hold. Wow. Okay. So I actually did a long press of 2 seconds on the right side, and immediately the noise cancellation kicked in. And then the long press, I think the active noise cancellation is knocked off. Let's see. I'm testing the active noise cancellation right now. Okay, so now it's on transparency mode. Okay, I'm hearing the fan noise right now. I'm not too sure. Okay, we just off the fan. Okay, I'm now hearing the rumbling from the main roads, alright, because my house is actually pretty near to the main road, so I'm hearing some of the rumbling. Okay, I'll press the ANC on again. Wow, okay. I'm hearing some taps from some distance. Okay, I can still hear my finger snapping. This is your ANC off. Okay, let's see again. This is your ANC on. Okay, maybe it's okay, it's fine. Right, so I'm gonna try to connect this to my iPhone and see whether does it work. Alright guys, here. So I have my iPhone 12 mini. So firstly, let's go into the settings menu, go into the Bluetooth, and then opening up the text. Aha, there you go. I think I have to press the long button a bit more, but the Redmi Buds 3 Pro pop up. Connected. Nice. Let's go into the eye. Let's choose this as headphones. Right, next, let's go into Spotify. Okay, I'm going to wear them and see if they work. The same melody tone. Right, pause and play works on the left earbud. Nice. Right, let's see triple tap on the right. Okay, it works. Cool. Right, it's working on both earbuds. Let's see the ANC. Now it's transparency mode. Now it's ANC kicked in. Not bad. So the the Realme Buds 3 Pro, it is able to be connected on both Android phone and iPhone. The ANC works on both. It's just that you can't really work through the app. There's no app for iPhone and for other Android phones. I'll be testing this over the next couple of days to see how it works. Alright, and till then, my name is Johnny, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.